Hey guys, Waldo with MFP here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your snow pusher wings. Let's get going. In the package you'll have a left and right wing, 2 snowshoes made of AR400 and 2 gussets, along with fasteners and a Norseman 3/8 drill bit. This is not a one-time use drill bit, so keep it for future use. The first thing you'll want to do is set your height of your blade for the surface of you're working with. Gravel, generally you're 1/2 inch, and hard surface like concrete or asphalt, the blade is on the ground. First thing you want to do is simply hold the wing against your blade, using a C-clamp to hold it against the blade while you make adjustments. Play around within a few spots to find your sweet spots. Install the snowshoes and ensure they're on a flat floor to help you see the best location to drill your holes. Don't max the settings out on either extreme, either too high or too low, to ensure you can adjust it in the future. 2 ways you can drill the holes is to mark them, then drill them. I discourage this method just because if you mark them a little off or drill them a little off, then getting the bolts to line up isn't always fun or easy. Best way I like to do it is to drill one hole at a time, then install the bolt and hand tighten, then drill the next one till all the holes are drilled. On the bottom bracket, drilling of the middle hole is not necessary. This is for Ventrac blades. You need to cut off about 1.5 inches off the bottom of the ear for clearance, and then you use the middle hole. For the inside gusset, finger tighten the gusset to the side plate and adjust the gusset until it's flat up against the blade where you like it. You may need to go up and down a little bit to find that nice spot. Then drill the holes for the blade. For the clearance fiberglass rod is for visual effect from the seat so you can better see where the front of your blade is. Insert the rod into the cushion clamp, slide into the slot on the side of the wing, and use a 1/4 inch carriage bolt provided. If you have any other questions or concerns on the install, please reach out to us anytime. You can check us out at MennoniteFarmingProducts.ca, or you can send us an email at sales@MennoniteFarmingProducts.ca.